When I filed my very first income tax return as a finance professional, I was confident. पूरा preparation था. ATC investment ready था. HRA documents in order. Home loan interest भी ready था. And yet, when I compared my final tax liability with a colleague sitting right next to me, who had chosen the new tax regime with zero deduction and zero paperwork, he paid less tax than I did. That day, I learned one of the most important lessons of my career, that in taxation, working harder at planning does not always mean you save more. Sometimes, simplicity wins. आज मैं चाहता हूं कि आप वो मिस्टेक ना करें जो मैंने की थी. Well, in today's video, I want to break down once and for all whether the new tax regime or the old tax regime saves you more money in FY 25-26. And I'm not going to give you a theoretical answer. मैं आपको 3 real salary levels पे exact tax calculation करके दिखाऊंगा. 8 लाख, 12 लाख and 20 लाख अगर आपका CTC है. Rupee by rupee. If you watch the next 12 minutes carefully, by the end, you will know exactly which regime to choose for your specific income level. No confusion, no guesswork. But before I start, this is absolutely for educational purpose and it is not a tax recommendation at all. Please consult your chartered accountant, your tax consultant for personalized advice. Now, first, why does this matter so much right now? Budget 2025 में government ने एक बहुत bold announcement की. Under the new tax regime, if your annual income is up to 12 lakh, you pay zero tax. Not 5%, not 2%, zero tax. And for salaried individual, because of the 75,000 rupees standard deduction, this limit effectively becomes 12.75 lakh per year. Completely tax free. I'm sure most of you have already heard this headline. But here is the important question. Does this mean the new tax regime is always better for everyone? The answer is, it depends. It depends on one number, your total eligible deductions. और आज मैं आपको exactly दिखाऊंगा कि वो tipping point कहाँ है for your salary level. Let me first explain the tax slabs clearly so we are all on the same page. Old regime tax slab FY 25-26. देखते हैं tax slab. Up to 2.5 lakh कोई tax नहीं है. 2.5 to 5 lakh 5%. 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%. Above 10 lakh 30%. Standard deduction 50,000 and you can claim ATC up to 1.5 lakh, 80D for health insurance, HRA exemption, home loan interest under section 24B up to 2 lakh. And NPS under section 80CC D 1B up to 50,000. Now, let's see new tax regime slabs for FY 25-26. Up to 4 lakh, zero tax. 4 lakh to 8 lakh, 5%. 8 lakh to 12 lakh, 10%. 12 lakh to 16 lakh, 15%. 16 lakh to 20%. 20 lakh, 20%. 20 lakh to 24 lakhs, 25%. And above 24 lakh, 30%. And standard deduction under new regime is 75,000 rupees. और section 87A के अंडर 60,000 रुपीज का रिबेट मिलता है, जिसका मतलब है कि 12 लाख तक की इनकम पे जीरो टैक्स, नो टैक्स. बट दिस इज क्रिटिकल. न्यू रिजीम में ATC नहीं है, HRA नहीं है, होम लोन डिडक्शन भी नहीं है, 80 डे भी नहीं है, राइट? अब लेट्स लुक एट व्हाट दिस एक्चुअली मीन फॉर योर वॉलेट. सिनारियो वाइज देखते हैं, ज्यादा रिलेट कर पाएंगे. सिनारियो 1, 8 लाख आपका एनुअल सैलरी है. आई एम श्योर दिस इज द रियलिटी फॉर मेनी ऑफ यू वाचिंग राइट नाउ. ओल्ड रिजीम में कितना टैक्स पे करेंगे देखते हैं. Gross salary 8 lakh minus standard deduction 50,000 minus ATC, which is your PPF, insurance policy, ELSS, etc. 1,50,000. So taxable income bana 6 lakh, right? Now on 6 lakh, what would be your tax? 5% on 2.5 lakh to 5 lakhs, which is 12,500 rupees. 20% on 5 lakh to 6 lakh, 20,000 rupees. Total 32,000 rupees tax plus 4% cess लगता है. So final tax बनता है old regime में 33,800 for a 88 lakhs salary per annum. न्यू टैक्स regime में कितना होता है? ग्रॉस सैलरी 8 लाख है आपका, माइनस स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन 75,000, टैक्सेबल इनकम बना 7,25,000, टैक्स ऑन 7,25,000 16,250. बट सेक्शन 87A रिबेट अप्लाई होगा क्योंकि टैक्सेबल इनकम 12 लाख से कम है और कंप्यूटेड टैक्स 60,000 के रिबेट से भी कम है, तो पूरा टैक्स जीरो हो जाता है. सो फाइनल टैक्स इन न्यू regime जीरो. Here's the interesting part. Even with maximum ATC investment under old regime, you are paying 33,800. Under new regime, completely zero. At 8 lakh salary, new regime saves you 33,800 per year. So who is the winner in this scenario? New regime. Let's see the scenario number 2, 12 lakh annual salary. This is where it gets really interesting, right? Old regime with maximum deductions. Gross salary 12 lakh, minus standard deduction 50,000, ATC 1,50,000, 80D 25,000, minus NPS 50,000. So total taxable income 9,25,000. Tax on 9,25,000. You see the calculation, 5% on 2.5 to 5 lakh, 20% on 5 lakh to 9.25 lakh, and total tax become 97,500 plus 4% cess. So final tax become 1,01,400. New tax regime देखते हैं. Gross salary 12 lakh minus standard deduction 75,000, taxable income in 11 lakh 25,000. Tax computed 52,500. Section 87A rebate है, 60,000 available है. So tax wipes to zero. Final tax zero. So at 12 lakh, even if you claim ATC, ATD and NPS under old regime, you still pay over 1 lakh under old regime. New regime, zero. So at 12 lakh salary, new regime saves you about more than 1 lakh rupees per year. Winner is new regime. अब देखते हैं the final scenario, the most important scenario of this particular video and in the tax regime section, right? Scenario 3, 20 lakh annual salary. This is where the story changes completely. Old regime, full deduction, home loan, HRA, everything possible. Gross salary 20 lakhs, minus standard deduction 50,000, minus ATC 1,50,000, ATD 25,000, minus HRA exemption, Metro City, 1,50,000, minus home loan interest section 24B 2 lakhs, minus NPS, ATC City 50,000. Taxable income became 13,75,000. Tax on 13.75 lakh. Total tax become 1,12,500 under 30%. So total became 2,25,000 plus 4% cess. So final tax payable would be 2,34,000. Let's see in the new regime. Gross salary 20 lakhs minus standard deduction 75,000. Taxable income became 90 lakh, 19 lakh, 25,000. And the tax on 19.25 lakh under new regime would be final tax including cess 1,92,400. And here is the interesting part. At 20 lakh with full deduction, the new regime again saves you 41,600 rupees a year. But this is the most important part which people miss. Old regime only works if you have all of these deductions simultaneously. A home loan along with the HRA in a metro city. Full ATC investment, health insurance, NPS contribution, everything. At 20 lakh salary, old regime wins only if your total deduction exceeds 7.6 lakhs. In this particular scenario, it was 6.25 lakhs. So new regime win. Only if 7.6 lakhs and above is your total deduction, then only you can really think about the old regime. So here is the real lesson from these three scenarios. The new tax regime is not always better. The old tax regime is not always better, of course. The right answer depends on one number, your total eligible deduction. Here is a simple thumb rule so that you can use it today and you can decide on which regime to select. If your total deduction are less than 7.6 lakh, new regime is almost certainly better. If your total deductions are more than 7.6 lakhs and your salary is above 15 lakhs bracket, I would suggest you should calculate both. Old regime may win. Most people are not in this situation, wherein you have all the deductions possible. So that's what you need to decide on that part. So what should you do? Step one, list every deduction you're eligible for this year, ATC, ATD, HRA, home loan, and add them up all. Calculate your taxable income under both regime using this lab, we just showed in the previous slides. Step 3, choose the one that gives you lower tax number. Simple. Remember, the government has made new regime the default. Default does not mean best. But for most Indians earning below 15 lakhs with limited deduction in 2026, the new regime is the clear winner, right? We already demonstrated that. Now I want to know, which regime are you choosing for FY 25-26? Old regime, new regime, or still confused? Let me know in the comment section below. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाऊं स्पेसिफिकली फॉर 25 लाख प्लस सैलरी ब्रैकेट या फिर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए, तो कमेंट में जरूर बताएं. मैं जरूर बताऊंगा, नया वीडियो बनाऊंगा. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट यू हिट सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि हम ये यहाँ पे पैसा नहीं, हम यहाँ पे रियली माइंडसेट बनाते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.